Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I need you to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever we post a new video, right? Right? So today, I'm going to be doing a face mask with Araya. I'm always doing a face mask and she's always trying to do the same face mask as me. So I decided to find one that was, toddler friendly, kid friendly, and we're going to do it today. So if you want to see how this mask project goes, then stay tuned. So first things first, you're going to need banana, honey, vitamin E oil, and yogurt. So you're going to take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of each ingredient, and you're just going to mash it up. For the banana, you're going to use half a ripe banana, and you're just going to mix it all together. So we're going to get that, and we'll be right back. So this is what it looks like. You can see it. Look a little watery. But it smells good.
Yeah.
Smell good?
No, it's good.
Smells good. Okay, so first we have to wash our faces.
Yes, wash face.
Wash your face.
Wash face.
Using makeup brushes to apply. Chicken. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. I love it. Wow. You got the one.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's after 10? 11,
12,
13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's after 20? I'm going to get your face mask on me. Come on, 21, 22. You got one. You got one. 21, 22. 21. The good morning train is coming. How are you? The good morning train is coming. How are you? The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. The good morning train is coming. How are you? And we'll say hello to our friends wearing shoe. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing
pink.
Choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends. All of our friends wearing yellow. Choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing red. Choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing
Papa.
Choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends wearing
Choo
choo. Hello, friends. And we'll say hello to our friends. All our friends wearing white. Choo choo. Hello, friends. And come on. It's Sunday and it's Monday. It's Tuesday and it's Wednesday. It's Thursday and it's Friday. And then it's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and it's Monday. It's Tuesday and it's Wednesday. It's Thursday and it's Friday. And then it's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Hey.
It happened to the no. Did it happen to the no? Clap the hand. And that happened to the no. Start the beat. It happened to the no. Start the beat. And that happened to the no. And the week is so. And it happened to the no. Couldn't be. It happened to the no. Hooray! It happened.
Yeah, you know it. Shout hooray.
Hooray! It happened to you.
And you
See
really
what
wanna
this is
show it.
doing?
If
It's
you're
a
happy,
happy
and you know it. Shout hooray.
Hooray!
If
Happy
you're happy,
to
and you
you.
know it.
Do ya?
Do all three. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If
It
you're happy
happened
and
to
you
you.
know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, M, N, O, P. Do, Y, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, S, Z. Now, no, A, B, C. Now, C, Y, two,
Sing with me.
two, and you.
So my homegirl left me to go in her room and play, and she ain't coming back to moisturize, so that's the end of this video. But thank y'all for watching. I'm just about to moisturize my face, put some shea butter on. So thank y'all for watching, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more videos of me and Araya. And we'll see you in the next video.